On my last video, I had several requests to do an ocean/waves nail design, so today I'll show you how to get these stylish aquatic nails. I started with 2 coats of a light seafoamy blue polish and let it completely dry. Next, paint 2/3 of your nail with a medium blue nail polish. Make sure not to make it too thick because you don't want your polish peeling off. While the polish is still wet, dip your dotting tool in the same color and add a few dots along the edge of the medium blue. Then before the dots dry, carefully drag the straight pin through the dot into a curl shape. If your polish dries, just dip the pin into some more nail polish and continue. Also, don't worry about the texture. The polish will flatten out as it dries and the clear coat will smooth everything out. Once the medium blue is basically dry, go back with the first light blue and define the shape of the waves. Next, I repeated that whole process with a dark blue polish and curved the waves the opposite direction. Make sure you have plenty of time to do these nails because it's best to let each color dry between layers. Give your nails plenty of time to dry and then apply a layer or 2 of your favorite top coat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and for more videos, head on over to my channel. And if you have any ideas or suggestions for my next video, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.